The following video will walk you through how you will be able to view the Lynbrook High School open house sessions that are set up for your child's teachers. For each of the sessions that you're looking to attend, you will be logging into your child's Schoology account where you will find unique Webex links for the courses that they are enrolled in. To begin the process, you're going to turn on your child's school-issued device and you are going to look for the ClassLink icon that is located on their desktop. Once you find this icon, you will want to double-click. ClassLink will be launched into a browser, and when the screen loads, you're going to want to click on the button that says Sign in with Microsoft. Once you click on the Sign in with Microsoft option, the ClassLink homepage is going to load where you will want to find the Schoology icon. Once you've located the Schoology icon, you're going to click on that. The Schoology page will load into a web browser, and once you're at the Schoology page, you're going to want to locate the tab up top that says Courses. You will see tiles for each of the courses that your student is enrolled in. So for the first session, you are going to want to locate the course that they are enrolled on, and you will want to click on that tile. Once you have access to the course that your child is in, you are going to look at the top of the page for an announcement that discusses open house. You might see some information regarding the time, but you're also going to see a link below that. You're going to click on this link in order to launch the Webex meeting. After you click on this link, you're going to notice a new tab in your web browser is going to open up top. And it's also going to open up a new window that says Cisco Webex Meetings. You will be able to go through the process of joining this meeting through the icons that are located at the bottom. You can toggle on and off your microphone and on and off your video camera, and when you have those settings correct, you will click the green button that says Join Meeting. Once you have joined the meeting, you will see the host in the camera and you will see all of the other participants. You always have the option to toggle off your video camera and microphone as necessary. When this meeting and this session is over, you can leave the meeting by clicking on the red X and saying Leave this meeting. Once you have left your first Webex meeting and you want to go to your next Webex meeting, you're going to go back to that Schoology page in that web browser tab. You're going to once again click on the course icon and then select the next class tile that you would like to enter that meeting. You'll follow through the same steps of clicking on the Webex link for each and joining that new session.